Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our class. Are you ready for reading lessons? That's great. In today's lesson, you're gonna be looking at this sound. It has letter P and letter H. You can call them sound P and sound H. When these letters are together, they make one sound. Right now, let's look at some of words that have sound F. Photo, elephant, phone. Right now, we're gonna be given time to think of other words with sound F. Every word is given 5 seconds. Let's start. Graph. Did you think of this word? Let's continue. Phonics. 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 Let's continue. Dolphin. Dolphin. We continue. Orphan. Orphan. Let's go to another word. Trophy. Let's continue. Famous. Wow, that's great. Right now, you are going to read these words alone. Good luck.
Thank you for reading. Remember to subscribe in order to get more videos like this one. This will help you to develop your reading, writing, and spelling skills. Bye bye. See you in the next class.